Okay, I'm very disappointed because the whole time birds are slashing on the window. You can see it. Look, did you saw that? Guys, did you saw that? Look, tiny little birds. Oh my god, this video is amazing. It's like a bird game. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Okay. Like, my room is beautiful. Just like a little animal house. Because most of the animals want to enter this. Because there's so many flowers. Let me zoom in for you guys. Look. You can look and you can see everywhere birds. That's just pretty cool, doesn't it? I was very curiosity, so I just wanted to look. And yeah, it was just like lots of birds. Cause it's hot, and then they're gonna hide just like in places where they wanted to sit. Like the bird. Did you saw that? I saw a bird. You guys really need to look good. Yeah, I got loads of wasps. Oh, like a butterfly. Oh, god damn it, you can't see it. Oh, wait, you guys, you can see it there, flying around somewhere. That's just freaking awesome. Look, it's flying again. Look, it's flying over there. I can't see. Oh my god, look. Oh my, bye birds, bye bye. Oh my god, the butterfly. See, I told you this place is cool. This time I catch the bird on camera. Get wrecked. Here you go. Oh my god, he's in there. Yeah, I catch that on camera. I catch a bitch. La 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 XD. I catch you on camera. Gee, there's so many nature things flying around. That's so awesome. I wonder what the bird wants to quit the weird social. Oh my god, I'm in my underwear by the way. But yeah, nobody cares. Oh my god, look. Did you say that was a beautiful moment? I saw a bird plus the fucking butterfly. Yo, this is the best fit ever. If you like nature, please watch this video. Because if you watch closely, you can see any animal on the... Yeah, I'm leaving.